Hi friends, you are probably curious why I'm dressed a little scandalous today. Well, the reason why is because I'm going to show you how to take a boudoir selfie. Whoop! So let's go. You do things to me that I just can't describe. The way you say my name just makes me tremble deep inside. I wanna feel your touch and get enough of your sweet. So I know with this quarantine, a lot of people are at home, bored, not knowing what to do. You probably already have painted your kitchen and rearranged your living room a couple of times. So now, why not do a boudoir selfie? So let me show you some of the things that I have, and you can actually still get on Amazon currently. And I'll link those down below. So I have a couple of things, but even if you don't have these, you can definitely be creative and come up with some ways to set up your camera. So I'm just doing this with a cell phone. So that's what I'm going to show you today is how to do a boudoir selfie with a cell phone. so so if you have some kind of stand that you can put your phone or iPad or anything on, you can definitely use this to put your phone on to do a selfie. So it's just really simple. And actually, give me a second. Let me go grab another phone because I'm actually using my phone to record this today. So 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, so let me show you some things that you can use with just your phone. And it doesn't matter what phone you have. All phones are, if it's, not a flip phone, you could do this. Okay, so so if you have something that you use, like most people these days have some kind of stand for their phone. I actually have one that I use for my phone and my iPad, so it's a bigger one. But you can definitely use it if you want to set it on a chair or a ladder and prop it up to take a photo. So, and then you just use your timer. Or if you have one of these little clickers, you can use that. And I'm going to link some of these down below, some of my favorite ones. I actually have a bunch of them. This one's one of my favorites. It's just very simple. I really love it. So I'll link these down below so you can see they're super cheap on Amazon and they are Prime as well. So you can get them in just a couple days. So if you want to use an actual clicker, you can. I did mine with a clicker and I'll show you that in a few minutes. So also I have this little guy. It's actually a selfie stick, but the cool thing about it is that it has a little stand. So I can also do photos, like I can set it up and use it as a stand, and it stands just a little bit, so I can put it out and set it on a table or set it on the floor if I want a low angle. I mean, there's so many different ways to use this. And this is also pretty inexpensive on Amazon. It's actually my favorite one. And it even comes with a little remote on it. So you just like pop it off. Sorry, going the wrong way. You just pop it off and then you have the little remote and it comes with it. It is chargeable. So it has a little USB port that you can charge it. I can't remember if it came with the cable. I think it does, but super easy to use. I actually travel with this one. I love it. I take it with me whenever I go anywhere because I use it as a selfie stick, but then I can also set it up as a little tripod to do, like if I want a photo of my husband and I can easily take one. So this is just like a little something that you can use. And then again, if you don't have something like this and you don't want to spend the money on it right now, you can come up with something, a way that you can prop your phone up to take a photo too. So I'm just showing you what I have in case you want to buy something, and then you also have it for the future. So this is another little handy thing that I have right here. This is a selfie tripod, which is kind of fun. It has a little level on the top, so that way you always get your photos straight. This turns different ways, so you can do landscape or portrait photos. So that's really nice. It's very adjustable. The only thing that I don't love about this one is it doesn't go very high. It only comes up to maybe about here on me, and I'm only like 5'1", so it doesn't go very high. I did have another one recently that I broke, and it was my fault. I broke it. I tried to stomp on it, so by accident, really. I was trying to push it into the ground, and I thought that I could just like step on it and push it down. And because the feet go out like this, and I was trying to level it, and I basically broke the leg off of it because I stomped on it. But anyway, that was my favorite one, and it went actually really high, taller than me. I don't remember exactly the height of it, but I loved it because it could go up really high. And basically, it's a selfie tripod, something that is just for your phone. You probably could screw these off and put your camera on top of it too, but they're not super heavyweight, so I probably wouldn't recommend it for a camera. Maybe a little tiny camera it would work, but it's definitely made for your phone. So if you want to use it for that, this also comes off and turns, so you can put it, adjust it different ways. So this is just another idea. Also super cheap on Amazon, and I'll link that down below in case you want to pick one of these guys up. It's great to have like for future stuff if you want to do photos of, if you're going on vacation and you want to do some photos on the beach, or, wherever you're going. It's just kind of fun to use. So that's another one. So basically, I am going to go back in my bedroom, and I'm going to do a selfie, and I'm going to set up the camera, and I'm going to show you how I do it, and then I'll just walk you through those steps. So pretty much, so if you want the photo to be kind of more dark and moody, which is the shot that I'm going to do for you, then you want to shoot towards the light, and you can adjust your camera on your phone to make it capture the light that you want. So basically you just have to hit the lock button when you adjust the light on there. And I'll show you that when I'm doing the shoot, so that way you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Another thing is the pose. Like, a lot of people are going to say, well, I don't know how to pose. Like, how am I going to do like this sexy pose? So the best tip for that is to either look on Pinterest or look on Instagram, find a pose that you think is really beautiful, and then try it out. So that's simple. I'm going to do a pose that is my most requested pose from my clients for their photo shoots. That is really simple, really easy to do, and it looks great for all body types. I'm definitely not a little skinny mini, so I am going to do this pose, and you'll see that it even looks good on me. But I think it's really beautiful for every body type. It just makes you look sexy and curvy and really pretty. So I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. So let's go and do that. So here we go. Once you get your camera set up, you're going to want to hit your exposure lock and basically just get the light the way that you would like it. And then right there I'm showing you that I have my little clicker, and then I'm going to go and pose. When you pose, make sure that you spread your hair out just so it looks pretty. Don't leave it behind your head. And then for each click, you want to change the way you're positioned, whether it's your hands, your face, just so you have a couple different looks, and you can check the camera after and just make sure everything's in the frame and that it all looks good. And I'm going to show you the photo here that I like the best in just a moment. Here are two of my favorites. Just edited right in my phone. I did change one to black and white, and I really love it like this. I'm feeling a little bit not covered up here. So I'm still wearing my little lingerie outfit from earlier. I'm not showing you the bottom because it's a little scandalous, but you'll see, or you just saw it in the video there. So, but anyway, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching today. And if you are already a part of my YouTube community, thank you so much. I appreciate you being here. And if you're not and you just happen across my channel, I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button down below. I would love for you to stick around and see more videos that I have coming out, or look at some of my past videos. And also, if you'd like, follow me on Instagram. I will post a link down below so you can find that easily. And I have lots of content over there. And also, if you're actually looking for a pose for today's video, just go and check out my Instagram. I have lots of pretty poses there, so you might be able to find something to try out on your own. So anyway, thanks guys for stopping in, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.